People with kidney disease require lifelong treatment, and for some this requires dialysis or even a transplant. For most this requires a significant amount of medicines. I'm Chris Brown, and this is our journey of digital innovation in kidney care. EPMA stands for Electronic Prescribing and Medicines Administration. It's a mechanism by which complex medicines for renal kidney care can be prescribed digitally and the administration of those medicines recorded digitally.
But essentially that's the tip of the iceberg really. By having all that information recorded electronically, it means that we can audit and scrutinise the information data in the background.
So before EPMA, we were entirely reliant on a paper-based prescription. It meant that the prescriber had to be in the vicinity where the prescription was written, and they're prone to being lost, so charts frequently were mislaid.
The paper chart has a number of disadvantages in that it can only be in one place at one time. The renal EPMA is also been built by a multidisciplinary team within renal who have many years of experience within the dialysis unit.
The initial idea began in 2015. We began to use our electronic record to not only record what we did in delivering care, but actually deliver care.
So going digital, it sounds easy, so you're going from paper-based to digital, but it actually brought up a lot of questions along the way, and it made us scrutinise every element of our service as well. So the first version was designed and developed essentially within a couple of weeks. We thought we cracked it, we nailed it. The problem with the first development was that it was a legacy-based system. So what I mean by that, you needed a mouse, you needed a keyboard, and you had to be very specific. And it wasn't very user-friendly for the end users, but it definitely served its purpose.
We also wanted to create a system that was designed by the end users. We wanted nurses, doctors, pharmacists, and all the other professionals that use the system to design it so that it was fit for purpose. We didn't want to retrofit a commercial product and having to change our ways of working to match the technology. We wanted the technology and the digitization to allow us to create pathways which were suitable for the way that we wanted to deliver care.
The primary advantage of EPMA is as a data source. The medicines information that comes from the EPMA system, coupled with what's already available in the electronic patient record, gives you the ability to see the full patient's journey.
I think over time we've allowed ideas to develop into the system that increase the simplicity of it. So the idea is to make the system simple, intuitive, and no more than 2 clicks away from doing any task. Electronic prescribing allows us to prescribe wherever that prescriber may be. So over a large geographical area, regardless of where you are, you can offer the same level of service to remote areas of our region.
It would never be possible to drive around to each dialysis unit and to see all the charts that are available every single day. But now that we have that information at our fingertips, we're able to do that.
Any feedback that has been given by staff using the system is always taken on board, and we always tell them that it's an iterative product. We're always looking at improvements.
We have now rolled out electronic prescribing to dialysis units across Wales, and look forward to working with teams across Wales to implement future innovations.
We've remained true to the concept of having a lean system that enables professionals to deliver the care that they wish. It's intuitive, it's simple to use, and it's accessible at the point of care.
EPMA is more than just going digital. It's about changing culture and doing things differently.